Nigga, I'm scarred. Go ahead and finish your sandwich. Don't even worry about what I was doing. I'll be alright.
I just farted.
I know.
I laughed and I farted. Chill.
Abdullah, when you see this video, I'll keep it between us. I just touched my fucking face. Oh my God. Like, damn, bro. Like that? Is it off?
What?
The car? It's on? I almost put this bitch in first gear. You can put it in gear even if it's off, cause there's no friction. Not supposed to, but I mean you can. It won't fuck up anything.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying it's on. You're about to do it. I guess in my car.
That should go.
Tell me how my foot was all the way down on the clutch, and I put it in reverse and it grinded.
Were you at a complete stop, or were you rolling back or something? Or were you rolling forward?
Might have been rolling a bit.
Yeah.
Feel on the hill.
If you're rolling a bit, then yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's what, like, next time put the handbrake up, then do it, and then just put it down and go.
I had my stuff on my brake too. I was like,
No, I did that once too.
really?
Yeah, you know, there's some friction, cause it's still moving. So, like if you're going straight and then you stop and you're like not completely stop. You know how when you stop and the car jerks a little, you put it in reverse. Yeah, you're gonna hear it. I did that.
I know it. Trying to see that anymore.
Caleb is such a goofball. No.
Hit my head.
How did J. Lou miss the bus?
You missed the bus?
Tough. He just said I missed the bus. Tough. If I didn't have to go to work, I'll take him.
Same.
Damn. Sounds like a personal problem. My fault, Jacob.
So life, bro.
Huh?
Hmm?
Fuck about his life. I just got your shit copyrighted.
Oh. You know I'm watching GTA right now.
Where's the video? Here it is.
Oh no.
I'd be crying if I look like that too, bro. That's fucked up what they be doing, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. I be saying that's fucked up, like, bro. You probably had the full wash and set. This shit be fire, probably, then.
You did not just.
Fuck it though, bro. It's your life.
What's up?
Is there any way
No.
one of you fellows could take me?
Sorry, I got work. Unless you want to like get picked up from Panda or something.
I was talking to a
Anywho.
I'm gonna go wait out front. Be seen.
Be seeing you. Damn. Talking about your life. Oh, my screen recording. How long was that screen recording?
Whole time.
He knows him?
He knows as Cam. Oh, I think Cam is the one that. What's it says on? Dang, bro. Roll on the window. Jake! He can't hear me.
What was he gonna say?
I was gonna tell him, like, his parents can just come from Panda. It's a lot closer to school.
Fucking up doing, man. It's a perfect song to listen to while driving a Kia
Kia.
Optima that's been in a wreck. Been in an accident.